Hey y'all, it is coming close to the 4th of July, which means that everybody's pets are about to be freaking out unless they live in Texas, and then they're already freaking out. So, we're going to do a trick that my vet taught us, which is giving everybody a teeny tiny bit of Metacam to calm down. Okay, this is not easy to do one-handed, but we've shaken this up. And I'm going to get just a little bit for everyone. Now, if you get this from your vet, it will taste really yummy and everyone will be excited to have it. Here you go. Up here. Up. Oh, you're gonna make a liar out of me? You already had some.
It's not so bad.
You just like anything I have, right? Hi. You go get naughty? Go get her.
Stop being silly. Hey. Stop it. I just told them that you'll like it. Okay, so not everybody will like it. Some babies are just stubborn. Yeah, see, that's not so bad.
Okay, so give the piggies their Metacam and at least one of them will probably forgive you for it. All right. Happy 4th of July. Stay safe out there. Be cute.